Alright, this is my my video for our DNA replication machine. So I'll just fly up above the whole thing so you can see what I have. But I only asked you for at least 4 base pairs, but I think I have 8 base pairs. No, it looks like I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I only have 6 base pairs. So this is going to be just like your item filter, except for instead of a chest over the item filter, you're going to have a rail cart with items in it go over the item filter. So you can see all of my item filters set up just like we set them up previously. But when you guys set up your item filters, you put chests on top of them. So you're going to destroy all those chests and you're going to replace them with rail. So remember to put a rail on top of a hopper. You have to crouch and then place it. But you're gonna put a line of rails going straight across the top of at least 4 item filters, 1 for each of the bases. And in your item filters, like last week, it was just whatever you wanted to put in there. But in this week, you're gonna put 41, 1, 1, 1, 1 of whatever block you want to represent the appropriate nucleotide. So I did wool for these, so blue wool, meaning that when the cart goes over this hopper, it will only filter orange. So it's selecting for the appropriate base to match the base that I have there. And then to make it a little visually more interesting, so we can see, like on these, if I've done it correctly, when my cart goes over, I replaced all of them. So what I did instead of using wool is I put fireworks in my hoppers. And so this is a red firework, so it matches that green block. This is a green firework matching red, and then I have orange to match blue and blue to match orange. So I only did the first 4 just for demonstration purposes. And then, not sure when my cart stopped, but let's see inside my cart. So I have red, blue, green, and orange fireworks. And so when that cart goes over these first 4 item filters, it's only going to drop the appropriate firework. And so you don't need to do this, but I've additionally rigged mine up such that there's a detector rail after every 2 hoppers. And so that detector rail sends a signal down here. And instead of my item filter dropping into a chest, which is fine if that's what you have, my item filter drops into a dispenser. And so that redstone signal gets fired by that detector rail, that fires the dispenser, and that means the dispenser will shoot the appropriately colored firework, or it should. So I'm going to get my cart going again. I know why I stopped. So I can see that my red fireworks are being fired from my green base. Green fireworks should fire from my red base. Orange fireworks from my blue base, and blue fireworks from my orange base. So as the cart goes over, they're only picking up the appropriately colored firework. And if yours is just wool and it's just going to chest, that's absolutely fine.